What if I told you there's a market that could earn you $10,000, $50,000, or even $100,000 per month? Sounds exaggerated, right? But that's exactly what's happening in the business world with artificial intelligence. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 types of AI businesses that are making ordinary entrepreneurs earn big bucks. And the best part, you don't need to be a programming genius to enter this market. I've seen AI consultants charging $500 per hour, agencies raking in millions per year, and AI startups raising millions in investments. And believe me, many of them started from scratch, just like you. In the next few minutes, I'll share exactly how these businesses work, how much they cost to start, and how long it takes to start seeing money in your pocket. Whether you're a curious beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, I guarantee you'll leave here with practical ideas to ride this AI wave. So grab your coffee, a notebook, and let's get started. Because soon, you could be the one telling the story of how you entered the AI market and changed your financial life forever. Let's begin. Let's start with the first option, AI consulting. This is an excellent entry point for those starting out in the artificial intelligence business world. First, let's talk about difficulty. Good news, it's low. That's right, you don't need to be a PhD in machine learning to get started. The key here is to know more than your clients about practical AI applications. And believe me, with the fast pace of changes in this area, it's not hard to know more than most companies. As for the initial cost, we also have good news. It's low. Basically, you need to invest in knowledge and building a good network. You don't need a modern office or expensive equipment. The time to start making a profit, it can be surprisingly fast. We're talking 30 to 90 days, depending on your dedication and your network. Now let's look at the advantages. 1. Flexibility. You can work from anywhere and with the clients you choose. 2. Low barrier to entry. As I mentioned, you don't need to be an absolute expert to start. 3. Added value. Sometimes a single insight from you can generate enormous value for the client, but not everything is rosy. There are also some disadvantages. 1. It can be difficult to scale since you're selling your time. 2. You constantly need to look for new clients. So how to get started? 1. Define your niche. For example, you could focus on AI implementation for small e-commerce businesses. 2. Study. Focus on practical AI applications. 3. Start with your current network. Offer some free consultations at the beginning to gain experience and references. A bonus tip, you don't need to have all the answers. Sometimes just knowing how to ask the right questions and guide the client to the appropriate solutions is already a huge value. Remember, as a consultant, your job is to understand the client's problem and indicate the best AI solutions to solve it, not necessarily implementing them yourself. AI consulting is an excellent start for those who want to enter this market. It's a way to learn by doing and, perhaps in the future, evolve into other business models we'll see next. Let's look at a practical example of how you can start your AI consultancy. 1. Choose a niche. Let's say you decide to focus on customer service optimization with AI for small and medium-sized businesses. 2. Study success stories. Research and study how companies are using chatbots, sentiment analysis, and automation to improve customer service. 3. Create an initial offer. Develop a free AI customer service diagnostic. 4. Find potential clients. Make a list of 20 local companies that could benefit from this service. 5. Make contact. Send a personalized email or make a call offering your free diagnostic. 6. Perform the diagnostic. For the companies that accept, analyze their current customer service and show where AI could improve processes. 7. Present a proposal. Based on the diagnostic, offer an AI implementation plan, including chatbots, customer service data analysis, etc. 8. Implement and follow up. Assist in implementing the solutions and monitor the results. 9. Ask for references. Use the positive results to get more clients. Starting this way, you gain experience, build a portfolio, and begin to establish yourself as an AI consultant. Now let's talk about being an AI freelancer. This is a very interesting option for those who enjoy working on varied projects and having flexibility. Starting with the difficulty level, I would say it's from low to medium. Why? Well, it depends a lot on the type of project you accept. Some jobs can be relatively simple, like creating a basic chatbot. Others can be more complex, like developing a predictive analysis system. As for the initial cost, again, we have good news. It's low. You basically need a computer, a good internet connection, and your skills. The tools, many are free or have free versions to start with. The time to start making a profit, similar to consulting, we're talking about 30 to 90 days. Of course, this depends on your dedication and how you position yourself in the market. Let's look at the advantages. 1. Flexibility in schedules and projects. You choose when and what you want to work on. 2. Variety of experiences. Each project is an opportunity to learn something new. 3. Possibility of working remotely. Your market can be global, but there are also some disadvantages. 1. Income instability. You won't always have a steady flow of projects. 2. Constant need to look for new jobs. You always need to be selling yourself. 3. You need to be a multitasker. Besides technical work, you handle administrative tasks, sales, etc. What kind of services can you offer as an AI freelancer? Oh, the possibilities are many. 1. Chatbot development. 2. Creating AI automation systems. 3. Data analysis and predictive model creation. 4. Implementing image or voice recognition systems. 5. Process optimization using AI. How to get started? 1. Learn specific technical skills. Focus on 1 or 2 areas at first. 2. Create a portfolio. You can start with personal projects or volunteer work. 3. Sign up on freelance platforms like Upwork, freelancer.com, or even LinkedIn. 4. Networking. Participate in events, webinars, online groups about AI. An important tip: build your reputation. In the freelancing world, good reviews and references are gold. Remember, as a freelancer, you're not just selling your technical skills, but also your communication skills, ability to meet deadlines, and problem-solving capabilities. Freelancing in AI can be an excellent path to gain varied experience, build a solid portfolio, and perhaps discover a specific niche to specialize in the future. Now let's see how you can start as an AI freelancer. 1. Choose a skill. Let's say you decide to specialize in creating AI chatbots. 2. Learn the technology. Study platforms like Dialogflow, Rasa, or BotPress. Choose one to start with. 3. Create a sample project. Develop a chatbot for a fictitious business, showcasing different functionalities. 4. Build your portfolio. Create a profile on GitHub with your chatbot code and clear documentation. 5. Create professional profiles. Set up profiles on LinkedIn, Upwork, and freelancer.com, highlighting your chatbot skills. 6. Look for initial jobs. On Upwork or freelancer.com, look for small chatbot projects and make competitive proposals. 7. Deliver quality work. When you get a project, focus on delivering excellent work, even if the pay is low initially. 8. Ask for reviews. After each project, ask the client for a detailed review of your work. Increase your prices. As you accumulate good reviews, start gradually increasing your rates. 10. Expand your skills. Over time, learn new functionalities or other related technologies to offer more complete services. By following these steps, you begin building your career as an AI freelancer, gaining experience and establishing a solid reputation in the market. Now let's talk about the third type of AI business, AI education. This is a fascinating field with great growth potential. Starting with the difficulty level, I would classify it as medium. Why? Well, you need to have solid knowledge about AI, but you also need to know how to convey this knowledge clearly and engagingly. As for the initial cost, we're talking about medium to high. This is because you might need to invest in recording equipment, online teaching platforms, digital marketing, among other things. The time to start profiting, generally, it's medium term. It may take a few months to create your content, set up your structure, and start attracting students. Let's look at the advantages. 1. Growing market. There is a rising demand for professionals who understand AI. 2. Positive impact. You will be empowering people and contributing to technological advancement. 3. Possibility of creating a passive income stream, especially with recorded courses. Now, the disadvantages. 1. Constant need for updates. AI evolves rapidly, and your content needs to keep up. 2. Growing competition. More and more people are entering this market. 3. It can be challenging to keep students engaged, especially in online courses. What formats can you explore in AI education? 1. Online courses. They can be recorded or live. 2. Mentorship, more personalized guidance for students or professionals. 3. Workshops and boot camps, intensive short-term training sessions. 4. Lectures and webinars, great for building authority and attracting students. 5. Books and ebooks, for those who like to write. How to get started? 1. Choose a specific niche within AI. For example, AI for beginners, AI for businesses, or a specific technology like natural language processing. 2. Create free content to build your authority. It can be a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. 3. Develop your first course or mentoring program. 4. Invest in digital marketing to attract students. 5. Gather feedback and constantly improve your material. Remember, in AI education, your differentiator will be how you explain complex concepts in a simple and applicable manner. Now let's talk about AI agencies. This is a more complex business model, but with great potential for growth and impact. Let's start with the difficulty level. It's high. Why? Because you're not just dealing with AI, but also managing a team, selling complex projects, and delivering customized solutions. The initial cost, medium to high. You will need a qualified team, technological infrastructure, and possibly a physical space. The time to profit, we're talking about medium to long term. It can take several months or even more than a year to establish your agency and start seeing significant returns. Let's look at the advantages. 1. High earning potential. AI projects generally have high added value. 2. Working on varied and challenging projects. Each client brings a new challenge. 3. Possibility of creating high impact solutions. You can truly transform businesses. Now the disadvantages. 1. Management complexity. You need to manage a team, projects, finances, etc. 2. High initial investment, both in people and technology. 3. Increased responsibility. Clients depend on you for critical solutions. Who should consider opening an AI agency? People with project management or other agency experience. AI professionals who want to expand beyond individual work. Entrepreneurs with a solid network and knowledge of the technology market. How to get started. 1. Define your focus. Which sector will you work with AI for? Retail, healthcare, finance. 2. Build a core team. You will need people with complementary skills. 3. Develop success stories. Start with smaller projects to build your portfolio. 4. Create strategic partnerships with technology providers, other agencies, etc. 5. Invest in marketing. Your website, content, and presence at events are crucial. Remember, an AI agency doesn't just sell technology, but solutions to business problems. AI as SaaS, software as a service. Last but not least, let's talk about AI as SaaS, or software as a service. This is possibly the most challenging model, but also the one with the highest scalability potential. Starting with the difficulty level, it's high. You're not just creating an AI solution, but a complete product that needs to be robust, scalable, and easy to use. As for the initial cost, we're talking high. You will need to invest in product development, cloud infrastructure, data security, SAT, among other things. The time to profit, generally, it's long term. It can take years to develop the product, gain market traction, and reach the break-even point. Let's look at the advantages. 1. High scalability potential. Once developed, your product can serve thousands of customers. 2. Recurring revenue. Customers pay monthly or annually for using the software. 3. Business valuation. Successful SaaS companies are highly valued in the market. Now the disadvantages. 1. High initial investment, both in time and money. 2. Intense competition. The SaaS market is highly competitive. 3. Constant need for innovation. Your product needs to continuously evolve to stay relevant. Who should consider creating an AI SaaS? Entrepreneurs with experience in software development and AI. People with access to capital or willing to seek investments. Professionals who have identified a clear market need that can be solved with AI. How to get started. 1. Identify a specific problem that AI can solve in a scalable way. 2. Validate your idea with potential customers before starting development. 3. Start with an MVP, minimum viable product, and iterate based on user feedback. 4. Build a strong team, especially in the areas of development and AI. 5. Plan your go-to-market strategy carefully. Remember, in the SaaS world, metrics like CAC, customer acquisition cost, LTV, lifetime value, and churn are crucial. Conclusion. Well, we've reached the end of our journey through the 5 types of AI businesses. Let's quickly recap. 1. AI consulting, ideal for beginners, low initial cost, quick return. 2. AI freelance, flexible, variety of projects, good for building experience. 3. AI education, growing market, positive impact, requires constant updating. 4. AI agency, high profit potential, challenging projects, requires management skills. 5. AI as SaaS, highly scalable, high growth potential, but also the most challenging. Now, which of these models is best for you? Well, it depends on several factors. If you're starting and want to enter the market quickly, consulting or freelancing can be excellent entry points. If you have a passion for teaching and sharing knowledge, AI education might be your path. For those with management experience who want to work on larger projects, an AI agency could be the next step. And if you have a vision for an innovative product and are willing to invest long-term, the SaaS model might be your choice. Remember, you don't have to limit yourself to just one model. Many professionals start as consultants or freelancers and evolve to have their own agency or SaaS product. The most important thing is to start. AI is transforming all sectors of the economy, and the demand for qualified professionals is only growing. No matter which path you choose, the secret is to keep learning and adapting. Here are some final tips for you who want to start an AI business. 1. Start small, but think big. Take the first steps today, but have a clear vision of where you want to go. 2. Focus on solving real problems. Technology is amazing, but what really matters is the value delivered to your customers. 3. Build a strong network. Networking is crucial in any business, especially in a dynamic field like AI. 4. Stay updated. AI evolves rapidly. Set aside time to study and experiment with new technologies. 5. Be ethical. With great power comes great responsibility. Use AI for good and always consider the ethical implications of your work. Remember, the future of AI is being written now, and you can be one of the authors. Whether you're taking your first steps or already a veteran in the field, there is always room for innovation and growth. I hope this video has inspired you and given you practical ideas to start or expand your AI business. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, click the subscribe button right now. Hit the bell to receive notifications of the next videos on AI, entrepreneurship, and technology. Now, I have created an exclusive guide called First Steps to Start with AI. In it, you will find a detailed checklist to start in each of the 5 business models we discussed today, links to free tools and resources to learn more about AI, a business plan template adapted for AI startups. To download this guide, click the link in the video description. Also, I'm curious to know which of these business models caught your attention the most. Leave your answer in the comments. I will personally answer your questions in the next 24 hours. If this content was useful for you, don't forget to like the video. This helps the channel grow and allows more people to discover these valuable insights. Finally, if you know someone who could benefit from these ideas, share this video with them. Let's accelerate AI adoption in business together. Thank you for watching until the end. I can't wait to see the incredible businesses you'll create with AI. See you in the next video.